Anders, what exactly is identity observability and why is Radiant Logic introducing it now?
So identity observability is the capability of having insight into everything identity, whether it's human or non-human, across a sprawling landscape of different identity silos. And why is that important right now? Well, we have an explosion of agentic AIs that are autonomously operating, they need access, and we really need to be able to have an insight into what's going on. And by providing that insight, you also gather the necessary intelligence to act on anomalies or threats in real time. And that's why it's important right now.
And how does it compare against other identity capabilities that you can find on the market?
So identity observability is all about real time. You have that looking glass into what's going on right now, right here, and being able to gather that intelligence and be able to act on it, it's really important. We as Radiant Logic, we provide the foundational layer where we unify all these different identity silos into one single pane, one single layer, if you will. And it's a natural step to add that secondary layer where you have that observability.